Pragya and welcome to my YouTube channel. रिंग लाइट का बैटरी खत्म हो गया. God. I just recorded कैमरे के उस साइड वाला पार्ट, not me. I forgot to switch the camera. Hey yeah, it's Pragya and welcome to my YouTube channel. Sit with Setia. Guys, you won't believe I've tried saying this since past an hour and it still just sounds as weird as it is sounding right now. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sit with Setia. But I guess we're gonna get used to it. So, welcome to my vlog 1. I really wanted to I didn't want to pause for this long because this is my first video. I'm sure you guys are gonna ignore it. I really wanted to do YouTube since a very long time and I'm finally giving it a shot. So I know I'm gonna fumble a lot and I'm gonna take a lot of pauses, so be ready for that. And today's video is gonna be about how I color my hair at home. I am a very I love hair colors, but as long as it doesn't damage my hair. I got this hair colored back 2 साल पहले and right now झाड़ू बन चुके हैं यार. But I still am gonna color my hair pink. Yes, you heard it right. I am gonna color my hair pink, but I'm not gonna bleach them anymore. So I'm not sure if the color really comes up. क्योंकि बहुत chances है नहीं भी आए. तो let's see if my first vlog is a pass or a fail. It's gonna be like a sign or something. I'm gonna quickly change into a old t-shirt क्योंकि ये ख़राब नहीं करनी मुझे. So I'll see you back in a sec. Okay, so I am back in a purana t-shirt and now I'm gonna color my hair pink. Okay, so I'm gonna use this hair color by Streaks. The shade is Groovy Pink and it costed me 450 rupees. I ordered it from Nykaa and I'm just gonna empty it into a bowl ताकि it is easy for me to apply. इसकी quantity is pretty good. I'll show you in a second. So this is a pretty big tube. I don't think I'm gonna need half of, like not even half of it. So I'm gonna just empty it into a thing. Oh my god, the color is so pretty. I just showed you the color. It is very pretty. So basically what I want is like half of my hair, नीचे का इतना part, like the length, the growth, मतलब इतना part I want it pink and ऊपर का I want black. But the problem is कि मेरे ये part of hair is also golden, so I'll have to dye this much of my hair black and नीचे का part pink. I know it's a lot of dye, but I think पहले I'm gonna dye my hair pink because I'm not even sure if the color will actually come क्योंकि you need bleached hair and I don't have my hair bleached but I have it colored, like मतलब 2-3 बार मैंने कलर किया है. तो the quality of my hair is very thin, so I just am assuming कि कलर चढ़ जाएगा इसके ऊपर and अगर नहीं चढ़ा तो my first video is gonna be a fail and I really hope कि ऐसी नौबत नहीं आए. So let's see and I'll color half of my hair pink नीचे का part and then if the color actually comes तो ऊपर वाला hair I'll just color black and then I'll get my desired look. इतने से इतना तक black and the नीचे का parts pink. I am actually coloring my hair because I'm leaving for a vacation tomorrow with my best friends, and it is a beach place, so I really want a cool hair color, and what better color than pink? So I am gonna start coloring my hair right now, but before that I'll have to tie my hair from both the sides to make sure कितना length color होगा ऐसे. So this much of my hair is gonna be pink. Oh, I'm very scared, and I'm also very excited, and I'm also it's a lot of emotions. I'm thinking to bring, like, I'll just start coloring. Oh my god, I should have worn gloves. I'll be back with gloves in a second, and I'll bring foil paper as well क्योंकि ये कलर होने के बाद I'll have to keep it for 20 minutes covered in foil paper. So I'll be back in a sec. I'm back with my gloves, and I also got foil paper, and I'm gonna cut a piece of foil before start. Like, I've already started applying, as you saw in the as you saw एक मिनट पहले. Oh god, this foil is very. I'll open my gloves for a second and I'll wear them back. बहुत आलसी हो यार. I guess एक बार के लिए इतना काफ़ी है. तो मुझसे और खुल नहीं रहा, तो I'll ask for help. Okay, so back to applying hair color. Do it! I'm gonna attach a time lapse of me applying the hair because I cannot talk for however long it takes for me to color my hair. So I'm gonna attach a time lapse instead. Okay, so I have applied the color on both my ends, and I'm gonna keep it for 20 minutes, and then we'll see the results. Abhi it is 10 o'clock in the night, so I don't think आज color दिखेगा and wet hair में. So I'm gonna show you the results tomorrow morning. And if I dye this part of the hair black, I don't think I have to show you that. So probably I'm gonna see you with my new hair tomorrow morning, and I just प्रॉपर वे कि कलर आए एंड पिंक हो, लाइक नॉट इवन द पिंक दैट इज here in this box, but at least थोड़ा पिंक, समथिंग पिंक का पी भी आ जाए तो आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना wait till tomorrow and I'm gonna show you the results tomorrow. आपके लिए तो it's just gonna be 2 seconds tomorrow होने में. So it is me who has to wait to see the results. आपको कुछ नहीं करना. So I guess bye for today. See you tomorrow. Okay, so my hair color is finally up and I'm gonna show it to you in 3, 2, 1. I know, right? Ta-da! It was pura golden yesterday and today it is black. And to be honest, my hair does look a little healthy and थोड़ा वॉल्यूम भी ऐड हुआ है मेरे हेयर में आफ्टर कलरिंग इट टू ब्लैक. एंड like golden and pink was looking really odd and I told you I'm gonna color it black, so I did that and I didn't shoot that क्योंकि I did that सुबह 7 o'clock and रात को I just did the pink part and I slept because I was tired. So morning में I did the pink black part and now I'm gonna show you the pink part. So just giving you a heads up, the color didn't turn out the way I expected it to turn out, but जो color आया है it is nice. मतलब it's a pretty color, so I'm gonna show it to you right now. Okay, so basically it is not as dark as I expected it to be because my hair was not bleached. तो अगर आपको proper, like if you want pop pink, you'll have to use bleach, but I didn't want to damage my hair anymore, so I just went ahead and did जो ऑलरेडी मेरे हाईलाइटेड हेयर थे उसके ऊपर. तो जो प्रॉपर गोल्डन पार्ट थे ना उस पर तो कलर हैज़ कम प्रॉपरली, लाइक इट्स पिंक, बट द ब्लैक हेयर इट डज़ नॉट लाइक कैच द कलर. तो अगर आप ब्लैक हेयर पे ट्राई करोगे पिंक करने का, इट विल नॉट कम, लाइक ये भी नहीं आएगा. ये इसीलिए आया है क्योंकि मेरे नीचे के हेयर गोल्डन थे तो उस पर आ गया कलर. तो that's the reveal. I am like I'm okay, like it's 7 on 10 और मे बी 6.5 on 10. मतलब अगर इससे हल्का और ब्राइट होता आई वुड हैव लव्ड इट, बट दिस कलर इज़ नॉट बैड एंड बेसिकली दिस इज़ समथिंग आई कैन रिटेन फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. लाइक ये ऑड नहीं लगेगा इवन इफ आई गो आउट इस कलर में. पीपल आर नॉट गोना जज मी, बट अगर वो प्रॉपर पिंक होता आई वुड हैव गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ स्टेयर्स, ट्रस्ट मी. तो आई एम काइंड ऑफ हैप्पी दैट दिस कलर टर्न्ड आउट जो भी हुआ वैसे. एंड आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू इफ़ यू वांट proper shade you'll have to bleach your hair, and if you don't want to damage your hair and if you are fond of hair colors like me, ये जुगाड़ू टेक्निक अच्छा है. I'll just attach a proper clip of my hair पीछे से how it looks. And this brings us to the end of this video, and you already know the drill. Please like, share, subscribe to this video if you wanna see more of me, and I'm sure you wanna because मैं हूँ fabulous. Okay, so that's it. Bye bye.